Hi, it is Thursday, November 12th, and today we did lesson 1.2. And what that means is that we have now moved on to the next module, the next chapter, and this is the first lesson in chapter 2. So we are now calling this 1.2. And our target today was to solve word problems with 3 add-ins, and 2 of those add-ins are making 10. So 3 plus 4 plus 7 is what we did today, and we know that 7 and 3 make 10. So 10 plus 4 was going to give us a teen number, which would be 14. So that's what we did today. For their homework, they've got 2 sides. This is what it looks like. Just 4 stories, and there are 3 numbers within that story. For the first story, it says, Chris bought some treats. He bought, and I've told the students to circle the numbers they see, 5 granola bars, 6 boxes of raisins, and 4 cookies. So there are 3 numbers within our word problem. So they need to write 5, and then they need to draw 5 circles or 5 dots. And then 6 boxes of raisins is our next number. So they draw the 6, and they do 6 circles or 6 dots. And then our last number is 4. So you write a 4 in the math problem and draw 4 circles, dots, anything you can. Within those 3 numbers, they need to decide which 2 of those numbers make 10. 10 is what I call our magic number in math. Everything results or relates back to the number 10. So if they're looking at the number 5 plus 6, that's 11, so that's not going to work. A 6 plus a 4, that's 10. So I want them to circle 6 and a 4. I also want them to circle their 6 pictures and their pictures of 4. And then they need to look and see what number's left over. That will be our 5. So the 10 came down. They are writing a 5 next to it. And we know that adding a 10 to any single digit number is going to give us a teen. So 10 plus 5 is going to give us a 15. So they're going to write 15 on both of those equals. And also down here, they're going to finish the sentence by saying, Chris bought 15 treats. They're going to do that with each of those problems. And then down at the bottom here, we've got one where they did not include the 10. So make sure the students, once they find out which 2 numbers up here, a 4, a 9, says Jim sat at the table with 4 teachers and 9 children. How many people were at the table after Jim sat down? And we can't forget about Jim, so that's a little confusing. That's 1. So we have a 1, a 4, and a 9. So which 2 numbers make 10? We know the 9 and the 1 do. So they're going to write a 10 here, which left us with 4, which will give us 14. So they just need to know to bring down that 10 once they find the 2 numbers that make that 10. If you have any questions, please call or email me, and have a good night.